Hello again, friends. I'm here with my how-to writing. I tried my best to use my hand to help me write my how-to writing with transitional words. So I started my writing with first, and then I used next, then, after that, and finally to end my work. Now let's go through and proofread my work. When you think you're done writing, you've usually only just begun. And proofreading, that means fixing any mistakes you've seen in your work, is super important because then your readers can read your writing and understand what it is you're trying to teach them how to do. So let's take a quick look at my work. I'm going to use a different color marker to fix any mistakes I see. I've started with a capital. Let's read this first sentence. First, take out bread, peanut butter, jelly, and knife. Maybe I should write and a knife. So I really don't have too much room here because I've used a nice finger space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make something called a little caret, and I'm going to put the letter A there. And then I'm going to reread my sentence to see if it makes sense, to see if it starts with a capital and ends with a period. First, take out bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a knife. Period. So that's the end of my statement. I've started my next sentence with a capital. Next, open the peanut butter and jelly. Then, well, this is interesting because that's a capital letter. I think I didn't end my second sentence with a punctuation mark. Let's reread the whole thing to make sure it makes sense. First, take out bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a knife. Next, comma. A comma means you're kind of taking a breath before you say the next word. Next, open the peanut. Oh, look at that, capital T at the end of a word. That doesn't make any sense. So let's revise. Let's proofread and fix this to be a lowercase t. Next, open the peanut butter and jelly. I'm done with that statement, so what do I need there? I need a period to show that that sentence is over. Oh good, I've already capitalized the next word. Then, put the knife into the peanut. Peanut? Is peanut a word? I made a simple mistake. I made an F instead of a T, so I'm going to fix that. I'm just going to go like this and make sure everybody knows that's a T. Peanut butter, period. Good, I started my next sentence with a capital letter. Take a small amount out and butter 1 piece of bread. Ooh, that's great. That's a great sentence, but no one's going to know that sentence is finished if there's not a punctuation mark. So there's my period. Oh, good, a capital A. After that, take your knife and dip it into the jelly. Well, jelly is spelled just right, but do capital letters belong in the middle of words? No. So I made a couple of mistakes with the E and the 2 L's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one line through this, and I'm going to write jelly with lowercase letters above it. And there's the period. Oh dear, that doesn't look like a capital F. What do we start our sentences with? That's right, capital letters. So I'm going to fix that. Finally, put the 2 pieces of bread together with the peanut butter and jelly facing the inside and take a bite. Woo! So I have used my transitional words first, next, then, after that, and finally in my work. Let's reread our work to see if it really makes sense for the reader so they know exactly how to make a sandwich, okay? Here we go. First, take out, maybe I'll put a little caret here and write the word the. And now I'm going to start rereading again to make sure it's making absolute sense. First, take out the bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a knife. Next, and there's that comma, which means you pause. Next, open the peanut butter and jelly. Then put the knife into the peanut butter. take a small amount out and butter 1 piece of bread. After that, here I'm going to take a breath, so I'm going to add a comma. After that, take your knife and dip it into the jelly. Finally, put the 2 pieces of bread together with the peanut butter and jelly facing the inside. And take a bite. Woo, that was hard work. I still think I might have some revising to do, but please remember to reread your work over and over again. Make sure it makes sense. Add capital letters to the beginning of your sentences and punctuation marks at the end of your sentences. That's our lesson for today, buddies. Thank you. Bye.